So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use your laptop to instantly copy paste to your phone just by using your browser. Now in order to do it, make sure both of your devices have been logged in with same Google ID, and once you do that, for example, if I go to any website or select any text, now if I press over there and let me just quickly open anything in the Wikipedia to show you the demonstration. And once you click over there, here just simply double right click on any of the, for example, if I search airplane right there, for example, if I search it, and if I want to send this particular part to my smartphone, if I just simply right click on it, or just simply again right click on it, here you're gonna see this option to send to your devices. Once you click over there, you're gonna find all your listed devices that have been logged into your to the same Gmail ID, and you can directly send it to your devices and directly copy paste the text. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.